What's going on, guys? Gabe here with ReviewDork. First time visiting this channel, smash the subscribe button, hit the like button, and turn on notifications because this week we are going boom boom pow, releasing all kinds of day trading videos. I'm gonna get my money's worth off of Applejack since I am paying him. Let's look at AMC chart right now. So here, guys, we see we are just fluctuating between a red and green. This is not a technical analysis on the daily. This is more of a aha moment for all of you. So you guys are just always sitting in the daily charts, and hey, that's fine, right? It gets you nervous, gets you antsy, makes you rethink your thesis, makes you say, why am I holding? I think you guys have been a little bit spoiled, especially the new apes who jumped in, because I want to show you guys something, and we're going to go into the daily. And you guys see this channel here? This is where the OG apes entered, and we were sitting in the $8 to $10 channel on average. Yeah, we had some teasing moments where it spiked up to 14 and then went right back down to 8. But if you look at this on a daily, you will see that we stood in this channel for over 50 trading days, 50. Now, when we mooned, everyone got excited, and then we fell into this channel here, and people are saying, okay, Gabe, one Lambo, what gives? Price discovery is something that is organic in the market. So keep that in mind. Aside from the manipulation and all that other crazy stuff that we speculate the hedgies are doing, we know that AMC had to fill a gap, and we fell into this channel. And if you guys count the trading days that we are in this channel, you get 14 trading days. Why are we freaking out? And you know, I kind of missed the days when we were in the $8 channel, because in those days, all we had to do was be YouTubers. All we had to do was just show you guys price action, just share some DD with you, and everybody was happy because we all believed, we all had the conviction. Unfortunately, now, when there's big money at stake, it's a dog-eat-dog world out there, and I'm not quite understanding why. Now, let's go ahead and talk about Vortex data here. The average share alone is at about 38 days. Now, that would mean that short positions were taken somewhere in the $50, $60 arena, which would make sense because we've had significant selling pressure. But what does this mean? This means, and I'm just going to put it out there, that the apes, you're saying you're buying, but are you really buying? And you know what? It's not your fault. This play works the same whether you buy, hold, buy, or just buy and hold. We look at the short interest, and they still haven't covered. Guys, that is the thesis. The shorts have not covered. We can go ahead and talk about DTCC rules. We can talk about all the other very sophisticated, glorious, romanticized narratives that are supposed to send us to the moon. But the only thing that's going to send us to the moon is math. And by the looks of it, they still haven't covered. For those who call us YouTubers shills and spreading FUD, and that we were bought out by hedgies, well, I tell you what, I wish. You see, we can get 10 to 30% of the money collected when we are bought out. So obviously the SEC would investigate malpractice and illegal activity, and we would get a hefty reward. And you know what? I'd still be covering AMC. Why? Because I would take that reward and dump it into AMC stock. So how does that make sense that we are bought out by hedgies, that we are shills? We actually want to provide you an education and be well informed. For a lot of us, we've been in this place since January, February. I would like to bet that the majority of individuals still do not understand how to trade, how to day trade. And I'm willing to bet my bank account on that. And why is that? Well, I get nearly 500 to 1,000 emails, instant messages, DMs, asking me, Gabe, how do I trade? That's where the education comes from. Oddly enough, myself, TMI, Trace Trades, a lot of the other YouTube OGs, we're shills, we're FUD, we're creating distraction. No, you silly fucking goose. We're teaching you, and we are empowering you after this play. Would you rather be a rich consumer or a wealthy investor? There is a significant difference. And that's why I have my day trading series where I'm going to teach you guys from the very beginning to the very end. You will be empowered. And you know what? I think AMC needs to take a little while longer before it squeezes. It'll make you appreciate it more. We go through the comment section and we hear so much about how AMC will change your life and the things you could buy and the lives you could change. And for the most part, a lot of apes are selfless. You obviously want to do things for the community. In order to do for others, you need to be able to do for yourself. Look it, no F.U.D, no Shills. I'm still holding. We're not fucking leaving, and neither are you. We're here to stay. Just keep that in perspective. 50 days in consolidation at the $8 channel. What gives, guys? This is Gabe. I'm signing out. Peace.